Audrey, the Amazing Inventor. Written by Rachel Valentine, illustrated by Katie Weymouth. Audrey was the most inquisitive girl you could hope to meet. She never stopped asking questions and searching for answers. And she loved to fiddle and find out how everything worked. So the day Audrey's teacher asked the class, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Audrey beamed. "I want to be an inventor." She would invent amazing things, but where to begin? Amazing, fun things to cheer up Happy Cat? Amazing, useful things for Daddy? Audrey began to invent at a rapid rate. The egg collector made Daddy's mornings much easier. Until it didn't. The catapult was very impressive, although it wasn't Happy Cat's favorite idea. In fact, neither Happy Cat nor Daddy seemed to like Audrey's inventions very much, which were amazingly scary, amazingly messy, and sometimes just amazingly wrong. As for the strawberry jam dispenser, "Oh, Happy Cat," sighed Audrey, "being an inventor isn't easy." But as Audrey stroked his sticky fur, she had another spark of an idea. Maybe this one would work. She ran to the shed and banged, clattered, and battered. Bang! Wallop! Crash! Then she laid out a trail of fishy treats, which Happy Cat followed straight into. The cat wash. It bubbled and bubbled and bubbled. "No!" cried Audrey. "Stop bubbling!" But the bubbles went everywhere. Happy Cat wasn't happy. Daddy wasn't happy. And Audrey was utterly miserable. "I'm the world's worst inventor," she wailed. Later, when Daddy came to kiss her goodnight, he said, "I don't expect inventors ever get it right the first time." "But all my inventions are disasters," Audrey replied. "They're not disasters. As long as you learn from them," smiled Daddy. "You just need to keep trying." That made Audrey feel much better. And before long, a glimmer of a thought began to grow in her mind. The thought grew and grew until it exploded into an idea, the most amazing idea ever. But this time, Audrey was going to plan. Really plan. For days, she thought, sketched, measured, and wrote lists. She gathered exactly the right materials. And carefully, ever so carefully, she began to saw, hammer, glue, and tape. She tested her invention again and again. And at long last it was ready. Daddy couldn't wait to see it, but Audrey grinned. Not until morning! As the sun rose, Audrey yawned, stretched, and rolled over in bed. Then she dropped a marble, which knocked a domino, which fell on a spring. Which sprang down the stairs and hit 2 balls. One woke Daddy, pop. One hit a lever, ping. It started a train, which tooted and rumbled and whirred a wheel, which cranked up a chain. And breakfast was served. Wow, how utterly amazing, Daddy gasped. And now for the best part, said Audrey. But, clunk! The fishy treat shooed, bulged, and shook. Oh no! groaned Audrey. Another disaster! But this time, Happy Cat didn't mind one bit. The end.